Hi everybody, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and on today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple fondant covered sugar cookie, and we're going to decorate it with little floral roses. Alright, so I'm going to take my chunk of homemade fondant here and roll it out. Just going to take my cookie cutter and place it there and give it a firm press. Peel away the excess. Lift it gently. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of water on the back so that it will stick to the cookie when I put it on there. So I have my cookie, oops, and that's off center. So I'm just gonna lift it and move it where I want it. Looks good to me. We're gonna smooth it. And there we have a perfect surface to start to paint on. So what I have here is you need at least 2 different shades of whatever color you're using. So I'm using pink, so you definitely need a darker pink and a lighter pink. And then you also need 2 shades of green as you're doing this. So I have some white in here so that I can mix as I like. I also have a little cap full of vodka in case I need to water down one of the colors. So what you're gonna do, you're actually gonna start with the lightest shade first. So I have this powdered food coloring here. Put that there. Add some white. So you have a paint consistency. I'm just gonna start . So these are going to end up being mini roses. So I start with my light shade. And next I'm going to add some leaves. And I'm going to use a small fine-tipped brush. I'd like the bristles to be firm. I think they're easier to work with. And you're going to start with the lighter shade first. So I have my light green here. Thin it out a little bit. And you do not want it runny on the cookie. So when I added the vodka, it kind of made it a little bit runny, so I'm just kind of spreading it out. I'm just gonna add some leaves. So 2 or 3. So now I have the light roses painted, and I'm gonna go in with a very fine tip with the darker colors and add those details. So I have a very fine tip here, again very firm bristles, and I'm gonna go to that darker pink. I'm just gonna add in what look like edges. All right, and there you guys have your hand-painted floral cookie. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please subscribe to my channel below. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest.